AirAsia and India is very pleased with the civil aviation policy, the new civil aviation policy. It allows more and more people to fly. Our strategy is India first, and we will continue to invest in India. This allows us to brings about clarity that is necessary, allows us to bring in 20 aircrafts. We will work on it to bring 20 aircrafts as soon as possible.
So, in terms of the 5/20 policy going away, do you consider that the new framework that the government has proposed will be adequate to promote airlines to go ahead and invest more in India? And also, as far as your airline in particular is concerned, how are you looking at this policy?
So 5/20 was a bit anarchic, right? This 0/20 certainly allows a level playing field for airlines, all new and old, to participate both in the domestic and the international business. Ours is an India first strategy, and we will get to international operations as soon as it becomes viable to get there with inducting 20 aircrafts.
Now, so far as the 2,500 per hour scheme that the government is talking about, do you think this will be a viable figure for airlines to operate? And also, is there a subsidy amount that you've already estimated that you would be required to go ahead and operate these routes?
So we as an airline have to study that a little bit further. But having said that, there are a couple of sectors within our network where we already fly 1 hour routes for less than 2,500 rupees, right? So it is viable. It depends on the airport, it depends on the destination, depends on the traffic on the particular route. A little bit more detailed study needs to be done to see the viability of this figure in itself and the subsidy that the government will offer, both the state government and the central government or the Ministry of Civil Aviation. And we will study and we will put up a route which makes business sense.
So one last question can be regarding, do you see passenger volumes going up for your airline in particular?
I think we are doing reasonably well in our capacity right now. We are going to be inducting more aircrafts. The reason why any airline would induct more aircrafts is because we foresee business growth. It was mentioned that the industry is already growing at 20-25% year on year. So we certainly, from a business perspective, look at growing even at a faster rate.